Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Watch with your Vivo phone. First, ensure your Samsung Watch has at least 50% battery life. Next, download the essential Samsung wearable application from the Google Play Store onto your Vivo device. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your Vivo phone and your Samsung Watch to prepare for the pairing process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection. Once the Samsung wearable application is installed, open it on your Vivo phone. You will then select the option to Start New Device or Add New Device to begin the search. From the list of available devices, choose your specific Samsung Watch model. A unique pairing code will appear on both your phone and watch. Confirm that these codes match to proceed with the secure connection. After confirming the pairing code, your Vivo phone will prompt you to grant necessary permissions to the Samsung wearable application. It's important to allow these for full functionality. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finalize the watch setup, which might include logging into your Samsung account. Also, allow your watch to download any pending software updates to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, a simple restart of both your Vivo phone and Samsung Watch can often resolve them. Always ensure the Samsung wearable application is updated to its most recent version for compatibility. Keep your devices physically close, ideally within 1 meter, during pairing. If problems persist, performing a factory reset on your Samsung Watch and retrying the steps is a reliable solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.